I joined RAP in 1999 after 12 years with the Vermont Public Service Board. We have been in China since 1999, working with the Energy Foundation and the Chinese government on a variety of policy initiatives related to clean energy and energy efficiency. And it's been quite successful. I think what characterizes our success is the very strong relationship that we have with the Energy Foundation's China Sustainable Energy Program there. They have done a terrific job at working with key policymakers and stakeholders, developing long-term relationships, and finding the points of leverage that have made progressive policy advances possible. The renewable energy law is one example. Now a grid company obligation for energy efficiency. The long-term relationships and the deep and broad work with a range of local grantees has been really the hallmark of the program there, and without which we could not be successful. One of the things that we've been able to do is develop the concept of energy efficiency as a resource. In particular, the energy efficiency power plant is a concept that Chinese leadership has adopted and is promoting in a number of provinces around the country. More recently, they've obligated their grid companies to invest in energy efficiency as a resource, which is a great breakthrough. Their environmental regulators recognize energy efficiency and clean energy resources as means by which air quality standards can be met. This is a big breakthrough, the integration of energy regulation and policy with environmental policy. Air quality in China is an important concern of policymakers. The Ministry of Environmental Protection is looking for ways to obviously improve the regional air quality, particularly in the eastern parts of the country. And they have discovered that energy efficiency and clean energy resources are critical elements of any long-term air quality management strategy. Energy production, of course, is a major contributor to air quality problems, and thus anything we can do to be more efficient in our use of energy in China will redound to the benefit of air quality. And it's really a wonderful thing to see that the most recent regional air quality management rules specifically talk about energy efficiency and energy policy as a means of affecting better air quality. We worked with policymakers in developing the renewable energy law, which is a very progressive law, advancing renewable energy, wind, solar, passive solar in the country. And we've been working with provincial and central government regulators and decision makers on market structure issues. And we've been able to bring in folks from around the world to help the Chinese think about market-based programs for meeting energy efficiency and emissions goals. I think we've been successful in China for the same reasons we've been successful elsewhere in the world. We're able to work directly with decision makers, help them address their issues, help them solve their problems, not as advocates, but as advisors, as creative thinkers, as idea folks. And because the problems in China are unique, we have a terrific opportunity to explore new ideas, new ways of going about things. And I think for that reason we've been successful and been able to develop the long-term relationships that will, I hope, keep us successful.